Greetings, students. Here are some basic guidelines on how to write a paper in Microsoft Word using the newest APA guidelines. So here's your basic Word document. The first things first, first let's get the font in the correct format. Usually we're used to changing font in Word by choosing the drop-down menu, choosing the correct font, but there's kind of a shortcut if you choose this little arrow and triangle in the corner. You can make whatever font you want the default font, and make sure to choose Times New Roman, regular, and size 12, and then instead of just hitting OK, hit set as default. You can do all documents. Same idea for your spacing, where it says paragraph, you see a little triangle and arrow, and make sure that your spacing before and after is set at 0 and at double space, and that also you want to set as default. Now, to create the appropriate header in APA format, double click here at the top of the screen. Make sure that your first page, different first page, is checked, because the first page in APA format is different because the words running head appear. Colon, hit your cap locks, and type your title in all caps. Tab over to the edge and go to page number, current position, and then your first option, plain number. And then you can close the header. Now we can start our cover page. So hit enter until about 3 inches down. So you can see here in the ruler, it's about 3 inches down. And you want the title of the paper not in all caps. Hit enter, your name, enter, and then your college. Some professors prefer a date, some don't, so make sure to adhere to whatever guidelines your specific professor wants. And you notice if I put the TH and hit my comma, it hyperlinks the TH. And that is all we want for the first page. So we hit Control Enter, and at the top of the page, same thing, title, not in all caps, and then we put our title in one more time in the header, but make sure this is in all caps because it's in the header. Tab over, page number, current position, first option, plain text. So now we don't have to worry about the header anymore. And you can see our page numbers continue 1, 2, and it'll continue on to 3, 4, 5. Then we can start typing. Great. So I start to type yada yada yada, and I have something I want to reference. So here I will reference Sociology in Modules by Richard Schaefer. So a neat trick is to go in under References and manage your sources, and you can choose New. And this is a book, but you can choose all kinds of different types of sources, and it will put in the correct format, for the most part, the correct format of whatever you need. So we want a book. The author is Schaefer. R period T period. Make sure to always have it in that format, and then your output will be correct. The title of the specific book. Notice that only S in sociology is capitalized. Then I look at the inside of the cover for more detail. This textbook was published in 2013 in City. And it's published by McGraw-Hill. Great. So, and then I can keep adding as I go whenever I encounter a new source. Keep adding, adding, adding. This is a source from a sociology book. And I can easily just hit Insert Citation and choose Shaver and put a period. And it puts the citation, the in-text citation, in the correct format for you. So say we're done with our paper, we can go to a reference page, and also we can hit a bibliography, and depending on what type of word you have, what version, it really doesn't matter which one you choose. So choose Works Cited, and we call this references. Delete the word Works Cited, and there we go. Your reference page is in format. So these are just the basic guidelines in writing an APA format. I will also provide this template for you to use. All right, thank you.